rush it. Ready?
Yeah. Shot over top of it. Not by much though.
Because what I did is I put the sight on it and I raised it a little bit. Because I figured if I, because it's for 100 yards right now.
All right. So firing yours next.
We're not keeping those.
So throw them.
Drop them in the can.
Sure you don't want to add them to the ground?
Put this in the can too.
There's Pepsi, beer, and ammo. Actually, I'm just going to set these up here.
Beautiful. Pepsi, beer, and ammo.
That is fun to shoot, though.
Is that loud?
Yeah, we don't need these earplugs, do we?
I don't know.
And we'll determine.
If we go deaf, we go deaf.
Might as well just put them in anyway. See, the trick is,
I know.
put them in there and then
I
put them
do.
in the back of the wall.
I do that. You can put it now.
All right, ready, cowboy. All right, wait, what are you aiming at?
Middle target.
All right. It's a Big E on the range. Oh, I can tell he's going through it. Just look at the dirt in the back. Smells good.
What?
Smells good.
I'm gonna listen to that video whenever they hear the gun goes off. It didn't have earplugs.
You didn't?
No, it didn't.
Oh. I've shot it before without earplugs. Haven't we? Isn't your little button out? Is your button not working?
Mm-mm.
Here, see, he has his Nagant strap. And car key?
Y'all need to get a rod.
Oh, alright. So why do you call these cowboy load?
Huh?
Why do you call these cowboy load?
They're not high powered.
You left a hole if it was a barn door.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yep.
We're aiming at the same spot every time?
Just in this general area.
Just at the bullseye.
Alright.
Well, I want to shoot it.
I need to go get that
Rod?
or piece of it.
Shoot, that's
what?
See, here comes your logic of how good you are.
No.
Well, that's 50 yards, and that's in like a foot spread, so that means that there would have been it.
You can't determine how good someone is until these things have been sighted in and are proven to be accurate. And that's when the shooter comes in. That's not bad.
50 yards, if there was a guy standing at that distance, he would have been crying.
He'd been dead. Alright, I'm gonna go get the,
Alright.
I don't know how I can make this one fit. Big the way it is.
No, you. The iron sights. You can change them out. Well, the screws, you can lift them up and tap them. You see how that's metal right there? How it's a lip? You can tap it side to side. Step out of my shoe. Clean these.
We all need to fire our rifles at once, like all together.
No.
Like, have like your my bullet inside his bullet and his bullet inside your bullet, and be like,
Technically, my bullet is inside his bullet, is inside your bullet, because all the mass is the same. You really wouldn't change it. Noobs at life. Oh, you only have 6 left?
no, I got a whole ball another box.
Oh. Thurman, which one you want to shoot next? About 22. It's small and safe. Not coming out? Do you want me to hold it?
Oh, there we go.
you think it was just stuck?
Yeah, it's just stuck. Casing expanded. Where'd the casing go?
Down there in front of you.
Don't worry about it. Alright, you got there's 6 rounds there. Go ahead and let it 5.
I'm shooting.
Darren, do you want to shoot this?
I guess. Hello.
Here, why don't we?
I have to put this down.
Are you that lazy?
Yes. Gotta put these on.
He's not here to be your cameraman. And there is no safety.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna aim at the left one. Oh. There we go.
Shooting at the left target, I guess.
Yeah, shoot at the left. That's 5, right?
Full hand right target. I think it is.
The first 3 were there, and then I aimed at the can.
Let's see what you did.
That's starting to hurt more and more.
What?
The last 2 times you were close to the can?
No. I said, what were you shooting at? Was this what you're shooting at?
Sadly, yes, but I
Okay.
think I did these.
Yeah. Okay, see this?
Mm-hmm.
No 45 long Colts. See this? All 45 long Colts.
But I'm not a minority. Okay, see what happened is they're like, oh snap, we gotta be fair. So the magical Democrat came down. Taking affirmative action and these lady bullets inside.
Alright, Darren, you want to shoot it?
Sure.
All of these your earplugs?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get a new box.
Yeah, get out a new box for you.
Hey, how many was in this box that we just shot?
11.
No, I'm talking about like once you bought it.
$255, I think. No.
50.
And how did we end up with one left? Did you alternate with 410 one time?
No.
Oh.
I might have put it on an empty chamber one time and put 4 in. Alright, let's load it up. Now, and this is a revolver. It has no safety. Tell you what, I think I'll load it.
There
and
we
hand
go.
it to you.
So it's probably only gonna fire 3.
Hmm?
Probably only gonna fire 3.
3?
Nah, do the 5.
No, I'm going 3. 'Cause I'm special.
And you have to shoot 1 round out of mine, at least 1 round.
Alright. Alright, forget you're left-handed, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So like that.
So you are gonna have to. Hey, stop. Put it up to your shoulder.
You gotta put that up in your shoulder.
It's not in there. There, and stand straight up.
Stand up. Okay.
Okay.
I want you to hold it right here where my hand is. I want you to move your hand forward a little bit. There you go. Now,
Alright.
if you want to rest, that's fine, but you do it like this. You still keep that in your shoulder.
Alright.
Alright? Now, when you're ready to fire, you pull back the hammer.
It ain't too bad. Get it up in your shoulder, man.
Didn't too bad, did it?
No.
Now, which one were you shooting at?
Farthest left, shortest.
You go check it out.
The one that I didn't hit?
Yeah, the one that you didn't hit.